Hello, everybody. It is me and my dad, Landry, Micah. And today, I'm sorry, I already took off the wrapping, but we have Contenders 2022 this was from my mom for my birthday. And I'm gonna open it. It says find one autograph or rookie ticket swatch, which I don't know.
So obviously we know how all these players are doing now. It was a pretty crappy year, to be honest, but there's some good little gems in it. I mean, there's Purdy that we could.
There's Garrett Wilson, Chris Olave,
yeah, Kenneth Walker. I mean, the two
Breece
top
Hall
quarterbacks were Kenny Pickett, Malik Willis.
Desmond Ritter. Let's go, boys.
So,
Here you have
bad year for the quarterback. But Brock Purdy saved us with Mr. Irrelevant, so maybe we can get some of that action.
And Breece Hall.
So, yeah, they're still selling these 2022 things at Dick's. So, shoot, man, why not? See what happens.
And thank you to
Just
Mom.
a little blaster box, Panini Contenders, 5 packs per box. So,
All right.
Let's see.
Thank you. Here, you go first.
Well, then I'm down to 1 pack if I go first.
Oh, yeah.
So you go first.
I'll just open up. I don't open these a lot. Alright. These are, oh dang, that's shiny. But I think you know what they look like, so I'm just going to go through. Mark Andrews, Tyrann Mathieu, Deshaun Watson, Tyreek.
Massage Deshaun.
Okay. What's your name? Davis Mills, Mike Evans, Christian Kirk. And then power players, we have Jeffrey Simmons sacking Joe Burrow. All right.
That looks cool.
Yeah, I do like the design of those.
I mean, I wish it wasn't Jeffrey Simmons, but that's all good.
Well,
next pack, here we go.
don't look at the back because the back's good. And you're looking at the back.
Okay.
Oh,
I know who
don't,
the back is.
yo, don't look at it next time because that's the good card.
He's on our favorite too.
Oh my God, that's
Okay.
Ooh.
Jared Goff. Elijah Moore.
Oh.
Cooper Kupp.
Sorry for that.
Man, we got another Mark Andrews.
Well, it's just a base card. Tyrann Mathieu. Oh my God.
Another Massage Deshaun.
Dude, these were the exact same players I got.
Tyreek Hill.
Oh, dang, that's cool.
It's Herschel Walker. Legendary.
I have a, what's it called?
Okay. So that's pretty cool.
LaDainian Tomlinson and Brian.
Is that already, is that 2 packs?
There's only 5.
Yeah, so we have 3 left?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was our mom, or my mom. I didn't look at the back, so. All right, Nick Chubb, Jalen Waddle, Brandon Cooks, Leonard Fournette, James. Ooh, backwards card.
What does that mean?
That means it's like probably the best card. If you have a backwards card, it's a good card. James Robertson.
It was. Yeah.
I'm gonna go from the back.
Okay.
Ooh, Rookie of the Year, Isaiah Pacheco.
Here, show that. You guys show a little
Sorry.
better there. Man, we gotta get that focus.
Yellow.
That's pretty cool.
And then another Christian Watson.
Man, we got another.
But it's a rookie.
That's cool.
Jersey rookie. You know what? You're sorry for the glare. But you know what, bro? Christian Watson's not that bad.
No, that's
he's
good.
the number 2.
At least it's a rookie.
Yeah, and Packers are look. If you saw our other video, our parallel was Christian Watson.
But it wasn't a rookie.
No,
So
those
this
are
is
cheated.
even better.
That is even. You know what,
Is it
Christian?
numbered or anything?
No, but I like it.
That's cool.
It's cool. You know what? Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I'm opening the 4th pack.
Okay, so second
Is that
card.
our special card?
Mhm.
Oh, is that so we don't get an auto?
No, unless if you're lucky.
Oh, well,
It's either
I
an
feel
auto
lucky.
or a jersey card.
Tua Tagovailoa. Amon-Ra St.
If it was just 1 year earlier, it would have been a rookie.
Oh, a little TB12.
Oh God.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The GOAT.
Chase,
Jamar Chase.
Keenan Allen,
Keenan Allen.
Cortland Sutton,
Cortland Sutton. DK Metcalf.
Ooh, Gladiators, those are cool.
Ooh, Gladiators. Bill Romanowski. Boy, was a beast.
Don't know who he was.
You don't play for the Raiders, play for the Broncos. He was a mean dude, man.
Was he defense?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mean dude.
I am not looking
Break
at
your
the back.
face. So that's cool. So okay, so it's not been too. It's been
I
pretty
like
good.
the Christian Watson.
Yeah, I did too.
All right. Jalen Hurts. Oh, I saw. Cam Akers, let's go.
Cam Akers, my boy.
Rashad Bateman. Ooh, Alvin Kamara. Jerry Judy. Zach Wilson. David Montgomery. Ooh, supernatural
Nice.
rookie Aiden Hutchinson.
Oh man, I thought that was. I was gonna say Sam Laporta, but that was last year. This is 2022. But that's still cool, man.
Which prayers to him.
Yeah,
you know?
just had a nasty injury the other day.
Yeah.
Man, that probably saved the best for last. That's probably that Christian Watson's good too.
I like the.
Man, that's
That's
cool though. Yeah,
And it's a rookie.
it's a rookie.
Doesn't seem it seems in good condition.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right. There's.
It's some cool colors.
We have one more coming today or tomorrow.
All right.
We have one more coming.
Well, we got the basketball.
Oh yeah, so maybe.
The score basketball, like Halloween little special thing.
We have. Can I just name it?
Yeah.
We have first off the line Origins box
2024 football.
coming up soon. Coming up today or tomorrow. Probably today though. So.
At 11:47 p.m.
Because that's when I turn 11 officially.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace.
Bye-bye.